Welcome to the Hills Dental Spa. I'm Dr. Benjamin Neming. Invisalign offers many advantages. First and foremost, you can't see them, so hence they're invisible. The second advantage is you can take them out to eat, to brush, floss, so we don't see problems with gums. We see fewer cavities involved during the course of Invisalign. We don't see white spots on the teeth when you're done, like when you remove brackets. And certainly we tend to see a little bit less soreness involved with treatment. For our CEREC veneer cases, we even implement a lab technician on site that is there to customize the veneers in the patient's mouth. And that has a huge advantage, not only for the patient, but for the lab technician to be able to have the patient present like a palette, to be able to customize the colors of the veneers to not only match their surrounding tooth structure or teeth, but also to match the patient's face, skin texture and tone, eye color and whatnot, so that we get a blend or a match that is customized specifically for that patient. In traditional veneers that we had to send off to a lab tech, the lab tech doesn't have the patient there in their office or in their laboratory most of the time, and therefore a lot of the cases wound up looking generic, so to speak. Every case tend to look the same. With CEREC technology and having that lab technician in-house and the ability to do that in one appointment, we eliminate that problem, and now we can customize the case to be perfect for the patient. And the patient's involved in selecting the color, and the patient's involved in selecting the shape much more intimately with the lab technician during this process than in the old style of doing veneers. Lasers are not only becoming more popular, not only in the medical field, but definitely in the dental field. We use lasers throughout our practice in several different fashions. One, we use lasers to catch cavities at the earliest of stages. The laser light allows us to be able to see them before they even show up on an x-ray. Secondly, we can then use a laser to treat those cavities, and by catching them early, by using a laser instead of a drill, we can do that painlessly without even the need for anesthetic. We can also use lasers in our treatment of gum disease in order to treat areas of the gum tissue to help them respond better to deep cleanings. And finally, I think the biggest benefit of the laser is we can use it to detect oral cancer at its earliest stages, and the light allows us to see things when oral cancer is treatable successfully. Stop on by the Hills Dental Spa and let us show you what sets us apart.